Alright, today we are going to learn how to play choma me, choma, choma me, choma in a fingering. Choma me, choma, choma, that is it, but come close, let me teach you how to play the rhythm. So I know you like that rhythm very well. I'm going to teach you how to play some fingering, the secrets of playing that fingering, because I can't show you the notes that I'm playing, but I have to show you the secrets. When you know the secret of playing those you have no all, so you have to create on your own. Music is all about creativity. Whenever they play song, you think of what to play there, you think of what you can create to play. So when I play this thing, I just think to create it. I can create another thing that is different from this thing. No need of learning what somebody create, but what you have to know is the secret of those. So if you watch my previous video, I taught exactly how you can create those inversion. Practice those inversion perfect for you to learn it. Or you come close, let me teach you. Alright, let me talk about chord inversion again here, but you have to be watching my previous video for you to understand all this thing. I can't be just talking about the chord inversion every day. This is first inversion, second inversion on do, third inversion, root inversion again. First inversion, second inversion, root inversion. So for you can use, so whenever you're playing keyboard, you can use all this chord when music land on one. All this thing is do. So what about fa that I'm playing, which is chord 4? This is the root chord. First inversion, second inversion, which means so that is it. Root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, root inversion again, first inversion. So that's and so on and so forth. What about so? C key, so C major. This is major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminish, sorry, major, major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminish. Again. So what about chord 5, which is C major? How can you create inversion? Root inversion, first inversion, second inversion, root inversion again. I can't be teaching you all this thing every day by day. You have to grab this one particularly so that whenever you're playing keyboard, you can able to play perfect. So when I'm playing this thing, what am I playing? I'm playing the first inversion on do, which is I'm playing the root chord of 4, which is fa. playing the root chord of a C. But I'm playing the suspended, fast suspended, but I'm playing it in arpeggio. Which is mi so do mi so fa fa la so fa mi so do mi so so ti la so. That is the creative, the rhythm creative I created there. Whenever they play song, play something like this to capture the progression before you start creating it. All these things help music producers a lot, because without creativity you cannot do perfect beats that will attract people. So that is all about how to play it. It's better to show you how to fish than to give you fish. When I start teaching you how to create something, that means nothing for you. As a beginner, as a learner, you have to know the root. So do, the same thing. So, the same thing. Fa. So on and so forth, my dear. Thank you for watching. Hit subscribe on this channel to Mr. Ben Piano Lessons.